guys, this is me again, Chocolate, your saucy and cute Persian cat. Meow meow. In today's video, Daddy wake me up for my scheduled vaccination. Oh no, I'm slightly tacked. Meow. Purro, I'm still excited because Daddy and I will go outside our house. Meow. Look, I immediately enter my kitty bag. Meow. Because Daddy is so curipot, he said that we are going to walk to vet clinic instead of getting a cat. Meow, meow. He said that since my vaccine is quite mahal, we need to save by other means. Meow, meow. So after 10 minutes of walking, we're here now in the vet clinic. Meow. At first, I don't want a stranger touches me, but it's okay, since the staff is so nabe. Meow. He weighs me, and oh, I gained more weight. Daddy said that I'm palaki nan palaki every day. Meow. So, this is a moment. I am afraid of the syringe. Daddy, can we do it some other time now, Lang? Meow. Daddy told me how important the vaccine is. Every fur parents must ensure that their fur babies are fully vaccinated. Meow! With the help of this vaccine, we, the fur babies, are protected from certain diseases such as parvovirus, distemper, hepatitis, leptospirosis, rabies, kennel cough, coronavirus, feline panleukopenia, feline rhinotracheitis, and feline calcivirus. Meow! Daddy also said that getting our vaccine is one way of showing their love to us. Meow! Oh my, Manon, please be gentle with the syringe. Meow, meow. Okay, I'm ready now. Please make it my dolly to lessen the pain. Meow, meow. Oh, I'm saying the syringe now, Daddy. Help me, please. Meow, meow. Kuya, it hurts. I said you need to be gentle using the syringe. Meow, meow. Kuya, you're so makulat, it really masakit. Meow, meow. The other Manon carries me for me not make Laban. What can I do? It's really masakit. Meow, meow. We're done on our vet day. Again, since Daddy is so curipot, we are still walking to our way home. Meow, meow. Upon our arrival, Kuya Happy is waiting for us. He seems miss me so much. How sweet Kuya Happy. Meow, meow. Kuya Happy kisses me agate. He really missed me because I'm gone for almost 40 minutes. Meow, meow. So, I need to rest Muna, guys. This is Chocolate, your saucy, cute, and vaccinated Persian cat. Until next time, bye for now. Meow, meow.